Hey, what's up, bro?
Whoosh, whoosh,
Where's
whoosh.
that button?
Alligator.
If we were in the pool, I would go like that and it would go. It would sound good.
We could do that sometime.
Yeah. Where did I click stop?
Right here? We use it, yes. Oh, yeah.
That is soccer.
Oh.
We have 5.
We can go to them.
Okay. Ready? I'm gonna get one more sound. Our thing didn't have this black bar for pause. Then it just recorded and then just
Do it.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. They're playing with the ball.
record it.
Quack, 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 quack.
Boys? What did I say?
You have to record it.
Put it down, please. Thank you. What if you kick the ball and you record how the ball runs through the grass? Actually, we already recorded this. It's a bit fun.
Hey, wait, let me. You should talk up. See, look, you're back here.
Okay, time to move on to a different sound.
Okay.
I've gave it the ball.
No, you can't keep a ball. No, you can't keep a ball that's all the way over there.
Okay, let's leave the ball alone and give the microphone. Or you already recorded, right? Yeah. So
bring the
Danny, it's
microphone
your
down
turn to record.
Okay.
Like, bring it down here and record that sound. Bring it down. Bend over. You have to get close.
Closer. I know.
If you're doing that, you're at least recording it. You're not recording it. I want you to try other sounds that aren't just this. Think of other ways that you could.
No, get that.
Do it. Just go right there. Make a sound. Oh, look. Look.
Stay there, stay there. Stay up the tree and record to there.
Oh. Okay. Don't press it yet. Come over here. Come here. Danny. Okay. Something else. There. There. Not yet. Yeah. Ooh.